Hello from IBC2023. My name is Joanna and I'm part of the sales team at Extreme Group. I'm here with Oliver from Flow Works. Flow Works is our long-standing partner for media asset management. Oliver, could you quickly introduce yourself and say a few words about Flow Works?
Hi Joanna, nice to see you yet again. We've seen each other for the last couple of days. It's been a real joy. No, I'm Oliver from Flow Works. We're in Munich. We're a specialist for media, meaning we have customers who we supply with software solutions for producing, ingesting, processing, like transcoding, transcripting, etc., owning your content, managing your projects, managing and running your collaboration, and then finally publishing and monetizing your content. That's what we do.
Thank you very much. So tell us a bit about what's new with Flow Works. What have you been presenting over the past few days? We're really curious.
Well, I presented two different things, I have to say. One was, what we do regularly, especially for the big broadcasters, for bigger entities, people you meet here at IBC. And that's been quite good. Bit less traffic, I have to say, which I found very relaxing. So we actually had better and longer conversations. It wasn't quite as rushed. No, that's actually been really good. It's been really good to catch up again like last year, except you actually could catch your breath and have a proper conversation. So it's been pretty good IBC for us so far. But the second part of the conversation was different because I had that with rather fewer people. And that's because we're launching something new. We would have loved to have it ready by IBC. It didn't quite make that. And yet again, that's a world first from Flow Works. We're the first ones who are going to launch a MAM that doesn't need a server. In fact, it's a MAM that runs on a QNAP. And a QNAP, as you I'm sure know, is a NAS, a network-attached storage device. A storage device which is very popular. There are millions of them in the market. And what we figured out is we really wanted to talk to customers who might not be at IBC because they're too small. And I'm literally talking about a YouTuber from Seoul, 5 guys in an editing suite in Sao Paulo, etc. People who might look online, people who might talk to a reseller, need a little bit of advice but would be able to help themselves as well. And so we're just finishing the last bits in our partnership together with QNAP, and we're going to be launching this sometime in the autumn, and we'll see what happens, because that really stands a good chance of being, it's very unique, quite a big hit around the world, and what we're really hoping to achieve is to have a much more of a mass market, which translated back into here means we get to learn more stuff, we get to build more technology, maybe even for very small companies, because there are customers here too who are price sensitive. And we try to be sensitive, so let's try and be price sensitive too.
That sounds really good. So please stay tuned for the updates of the partnership between Flow Works and QNAP. We will definitely keep you informed. Just one last question for you, Oliver. We've been here for some time now, for the past 4 days or even longer. What would you say, what are the trending topics right now? What did you see during IBC or maybe in the industry in general?
Well, trending topics remain automation, actually. Surprisingly, you still have those conversations. The other big topic is I've got a huge archive, I can't find anything, which is an old topic, but there's new tech. I mean, everybody talks about AI. We've been using that for a while, and there are very sensible use cases for it where you actually have a real benefit. I mean, AI per se is a great thing, but you have to bed it into a use case which actually produces either a saving or an additional turnover. And that's what we've really been focused on, and I have to say I found a couple of things here which I liked a lot, both from a technology point of view, both from partner point of view, but also what other people are doing is quite inspirational. So yes, everybody talks about AI, we too, but of course we're trying to embed it into something that makes sense for our customers.
Thank you so much, Oliver. So please get in touch with us if you want to know more about Flow Works. We're really happy to help you. Check out our website, extremegroup.com. Talk to you soon.